You download it.
I use my backup, which is from Canada.
And then you extract the file. And then you have the file here. Go to cloud. Go to the MakerBot preparation. Select the 8. I'm going to select the 8. And then you look for the file. This is white. I'm gonna go with Dragonite. And then preview. It's a slicing.
Do we need to put glue on this or no?
Oops. I selected the wrong printer. It's supposed to be 2. This one should be ready. You queue it. And because sometimes it doesn't start automatically, you have to